Hey everyone, in this tutorial we want to talk about exporting member data, right? How do you get the data of the members or the information that you have in Poimnion? How do you export that so that you could use it in your reports or whatever else you would like to have that data be used for? To export data from Poimnion is very, very easy. So currently I am on the dashboard. I remember how you find the dashboard again is on the people and groups and you click directory. I am on the dashboard. I'm zooming this a little bit for you. And look right here, you have export. You see where this mouse is? You have export CSV/Excel, right? CSV/Excel. Now there is also PDF, but I'm going to show you how you export the PDF. So when you click export, you see CSV, you see Excel, right? Any one of these you click, you're going to get the data in that form. Okay. So for instance, Excel, if I click Excel, the data is downloaded on my screen in Excel. And let me see if I could bring this up. So if I do this, there you go. So that's the exported form in Excel. So this exported form, notice that it has a few things. So it has the member number. You remember the 10065. Can I zoom this a little bit? You know, then it has the first name, the last name, the email, the phone number, the date of birth. And then it has right here, it has the membership status, the occupation, wedding anniversary, and join at. So this is a very detailed membership exported form, so to speak. Like, it would be so cool if a lot of software actually include that much data when you are exporting it, you know, but Poimnion really includes a lot of information for you to know, to have, for you to print, for you to share with your groups, whatever the case may be when you're using this data. And the same thing for your Excel or for, this is the Excel, the same thing for your CSV or for your PDF. Now, the next thing that I want to show you has to do with another way that you can, quote unquote, export information, right? So let me zoom back out a little bit, and then I'm going to go to Giving and Reports, and I'm going to click Reports. And notice you have something here called Custom Builder or Custom Report Builder right here. Custom Report Builder. And from here, you could pretty much custom build any report you want or any report that's available. Maybe that's the way to say it. First thing you want to select is a data type. And here are the different data types that you have in Poimnion currently. And since you want data type on members, you want to select members, right? Now, the next important thing is the columns. What is it that you want to include? And that's what I was reading for you a while ago in the Excel form. You can choose what you want to include in your data export or what you want to exclude, I guess. So there you go. That's your columns, right? So if you leave it as is, everything is going to be included. Now, if you want members from a certain date range, like for instance, you want members within the last 5 years, you could do that. Members within the last 10 years or members within the last year. You know, you just come to this from section right here, and then what you would simply do is to select the date that you want or just type in the date that you want. Right. And once that is, if you just want all the members, it's very simple. You just export CSV, export Excel, or export PDF. And that's all it takes, guys. That's all it takes to export data. Very quick, very simple, very easy. And you could use this if you want to pray over the members, if you are sharing it in a group, in a meeting, if you want to, you know, customize anything for your church that relates to certain data type. This is how you take that data out of Poimnion. All right. So may the Lord bless you, and I will catch you on the next one. All right. Thank you.